This is attorney Ernest Orsatti, and this is Legal Tip Tuesday. I'd like to talk about something that we get calls about quite a bit, and that is employees who are told that they're not entitled to overtime compensation for one reason or another. If you are working more than 40 hours a week and not being paid time and a half for all hours worked, you may be entitled to overtime compensation plus liquidated damages for your work. The Fair Labor Standards Act, which is a federal statute, entitles you to time and a half for all hours worked in excess of 40 hours if you're a non-exempt employee. Many employees are misclassified as exempt employees when they actually are exempt. You can give us a call and we can talk to you and let you know whether or not you're entitled to overtime compensation. And another issue that comes up quite often is when employees are either terminated or even when they're still working and they're not being paid for either wages or other kind of fringe benefits that they have earned. The Pennsylvania Wage Payment and Collection Law entitles employees to be paid for everything that they've earned, and that's either by a contract or by policy. And oftentimes when employees either resign or are fired and they're not paid for earned benefits, employers simply decide not to pay them. And that happens quite often. These employees are entitled to be paid for the amount that they haven't been paid, plus 25% on top of that, plus attorney's fees. And this statute also allows the employee to go after the corporate officers who are responsible for not paying that. And we can also go after attorney's fees and have the employer pay for the attorney's fees for collecting that. So if you have questions about that, call our office and we'll let you know whether or not you have a valid claim. This is Ernest Orsatti, and this has been your Legal Tip Tuesday.